The story of Air Force One on September 11th is not just a historical account, but a call to action, a reminder that the fight for freedom and security is an ongoing endeavor that demands our constant vigilance and unwavering resolve. It's a testament to the power of courage, the importance of unity, and the enduring strength of the human spirit. As we reflect on the events of that day, let us honor the memory of those we lost by embracing the values they held dear: courage, compassion, and an unwavering belief in the promise of a better tomorrow. Let us draw inspiration from the heroes of that day, both those who wore uniforms and those who did not, who remind us that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can overcome adversity. And let us never forget the lessons learned on that fateful day: the importance of vigilance, the power of unity, and the enduring strength of a nation that, even in its darkest hour, found the courage to rise again, stronger and more united than ever before.